In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to find My Computer, or this PC, on the Windows 11. You can see there is no My Computer on this Windows 11. So to bring that icon, let's look at some of the steps. Right-click on empty area on your desktop. Then select Personalize. This will open the personalization settings page. Click on Themes on the right. Then scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. This will open the Desktop Icon Settings window. Here, select Computer and click on OK button. Now go and check in your desktop and you will get this PC icon on desktop. This is equivalent to My Computer on previous version of Windows OS. You can right-click on it and select Pin to start. Now press Start to see where this PC is pinned. In most cases, it will be pinned towards the bottom of the list. You can click on the last dot towards the right of the Start menu. Then right-click on this PC and right-click on Move to Top and you will get this PC on the top of Start menu as shown here. You can also get this PC icon as shortcut. To do this, first press Win+E to get to Windows Explorer. You will see this PC and its constituents in the left panel. Simply drag this PC to the desktop to have its shortcut appear there. In this way you can bring this PC or My Computer icon on desktop. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.